Safety at home. Life is precious. We can safeguard life by observing some simple safety rules. At home, certain precautions must be taken to ensure safety while handling sharp tools, fire and electricity. Knives, scissors, and blades are useful tools that facilitate chopping, cutting, and sharpening. But to prevent serious injuries and accidents, sharp tools must be kept out of reach of children. They must be used by children only under adult supervision. Fire plays an important role in the life of humans. Fire gives us light and helps us cook food. To avoid accidents, matchsticks must not be struck near inflammable objects. Matchsticks, lighters, etc. must be kept out of reach of children. Electricity is man's best friend, but careless use of electricity and electrical appliances can lead to fatal accidents. To avoid mishaps, plug points must be covered when not in use. Switches and sockets must not be touched with wet hands. Electric wires must be concealed.